Hey guys, welcome back. In this video of my lockdown specials, it involves something that has been one of the only things keeping me happy during this period. Like seriously. The app is TikTok. I'm sure you already know what TikTok is, but if you don't, TikTok is an app where you can dance, lip sing, make funny skits, and much more. Anyway, today I'm going to be trying viral food hacks off TikTok and seeing if they work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on my socials. Let's see if these are a hit or miss. The first thing I wanted to try is turning cookies back into cookie dough. This is the video of what is supposed to happen.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine.
I've got my homemade cookies here. If you want to see how I made them, click the I button or check in the description below for my recipe. I'm gonna add, I think they said 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk or until it's lightly covered. Then some chocolate and some marshmallows. Then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for a minute and see what happens. It's come out and the marshmallows melted really nicely and the cookie looks nice and soft. I took a bite and it was actually really nice. The soft cookie mixed well with the really nice gooey marshmallow. I would really go for this recipe. It's quick and it does what it says it does. I would rate it a 7 out of 10. Let's try the next one. The next thing I'm gonna try is a 2-ingredient Oreo Mud Cake. This is the video of what it is. It looks so good, I'm excited to try. I have a little souffle pot and I'm gonna put 3 Oreos in it and milk up to halfway of the Oreos. In any mug you can add it up to halfway of the Oreos. Then I mix until combined. After mixing, the consistency is like cake batter. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute 20 and hope for the best. It's cooked and it looks like a cake. You could eat it like that, but I decorated it with vanilla ice cream and a strawberry. When tasting it, the one letdown is that after a while it gets a bit chewy, but apart from that it's good. I give this one an 8 out of 10. The third and final TikTok hack is a dessert tray bake. I couldn't find the video, but it's when you can't decide on what dessert you want, then you make it all at once. I have high hopes for this one. First, I'm gonna grease my tin with butter and parchment paper because I don't want it to stick. I'm gonna put a thin layer of cookie dough at the bottom, then a layer of marshmallows and chocolate, and finally the brownie mix on top. The video said put it in the oven for 20 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. It's out of the oven, and in the end it took an hour to cook. An hour. I cut a slice and I was really disappointed because there are no layers and the marshmallow and chocolate have disappeared. It looks like one big brownie blob. I topped it off with whipped cream.
Don't be shy, get some more.
And chocolate shavings. I took a bite and I could just taste the brownie and a hard crunch of cookie. That's it. I would not recommend this. I give it a 4 out of 10. Overall, these are a success. The cookie dough is nice. I would just suggest that you add a bit more milk though. With the Oreo Mud Cake, it is also good, but I would advise to eat it warm, otherwise it gets chewy. And the tray bake was not good, but if you really want to try it, I would say cook the brownie for 10 minutes, then add your marshmallows and cookie layer on the top, then cook the rest. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell and share with your family and friends. Let's try and get to 100 subscribers. Stay indoors. Bye.